What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, and yes, I look crazy right now, but yeah, this is how I go outside. It's winter time. I got my Nike thing. I got this before Drake, before I'm about to say Shot Glizzy, before Pooh Shiesty, and before Drake made this cool during COVID. I had it, so no, I'm not copying everyone that wears this now because of Pooh Shiesty, all the people, but nah, me and Drake low key was the first people wearing these before all the swimmers really wearing this. But either way, remember that paper I showed you in the last video? If you didn't watch, I thought this was for the sneakers I was doing before, but no, that paper is for this shoe that you see in the title. You see what I'm about to go over. So what's good? If you're new here, hit that sub button, hit that like button. Ladies, hit that Instagram and hit that Instagram DM. Everyone else, check out that main channel. Those two links will be down below in the description. So, yes, that's all y'all gotta do. Comment, because I respond to all my comments as well. And, yeah, let me know if there's baby blue, black, you know. Let me know if I look good to y'all. Either way, I'm doing this intro real fast because the phone's literally about to die that I used to record. I'm gonna go finish cooking, eat, and then come right back. But y'all can't tell how long I'm gonna take because, obviously, the video's gonna be edited. But luckily, I did wait to film this video because the second pair came in. The first one I was going to show you that I already took the paper off, that I didn't put it back yet. It was the size 14. And this other size 8.5 came in. So that's all I'm going to say right now. I'm going to show you guys the shoe. Don't get over it. Because these shoes are already sold. So I'm trying to get it out and get the video to you guys. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so off rip, here's the white paper I took off of the shoe. Big boy, size 14. I don't know if you could tell how big this box is, but this shit is huge. Boom. What's good, ladies? While y'all watching this, I'm just furious because y'all can't tell, but I'm waiting for my internet to get turned back on. So hopefully I'm going to delay to post this video. Jordan 1 box, you already know, like I said, big boy, size 14. And the one that came in the mail recently is the size 8.5. I'm not going to show you this shoe because it's the same shoe as this. And, yeah, I don't want to take that out because I'm not taking the paper off to have to do both shoes. Comprende? So here, Air Jordan 1. Don't they call it the Zoom or nah, it's not Zoom. Yeah, just a Jordan 1 Element light bone white version. I'm pretty sure they had the, you know, a couple videos back. You can see the other one I did. I don't know where they come from out of nowhere with these Gore-Tex ones, but let's get that thumbnail. Boom. See, when I gotta do one shoe and one shoe only, I'm only gonna do thumbnails like that. I'm not, like I said, I'm not taking this plastic off the shoe. I only did it for the one so I could see it. But the Jordan 1 Gore-Tex shit, light bone. They dropped a couple light bones in the past. Not like a Jordan 1, but like mids, I believe, and lows, or just other stuff they call light bone. What I do know is the light bone, long term, it does like, that just name just is good on the resale. Something told me to go for a size 14. I don't know why. Like on my main account, I went for this and I hit. If I'm not mistaken, this is a Leo drop. So as soon as it hit 10 o'clock, went for the size 14, got them. And then my other account, I didn't change the female ratio from the male. So I thought I had a 10, but I ended up getting an 8.5. Fine, I'll take it because the 8.5 sold. Fine by me, whatever. Got this Gore-Tex. Every time I see this, I think of my Supreme Gore-Tex jacket. And Supreme, yeah, my Supreme North Face. Is it not North Face? Supreme Gore-Tex collab, because I see the sticker. Obviously this is Gore-Tex sticker, logo, whatever. Size 14. I don't know if you could tell a size 14, but it's size 14. Got a little suede as the logo. It's not leather, obviously, it's suede. Let's see, let's get into the details. Any shoelaces come with the black. Let's see, any details inside? Just a regular Nike Air stitching. The tongue, nothing too crazy, but the tongue got little details. You can see it. Not your Jordan, regular average Jordan 1 on the tag. Like I said, got Some suede, not leather. Got that good material on the back. Of course, the Gore-Tex right there, printed. And then the bottom, looking like milk, looking like a cow. Got that light bone colorway. It gotta be like a cream, white, black, whatever. Oh shoot. That's how the bottom looks. Let me know if you guys like this colorway better than the last Gore-Tex. Why my mind is so blank. I forgot how the last one looks. But I did drop a video on that, so check that out. A couple videos back. Just look for on my channel. You'll see it. Let me know if I'm bugging for copping the size 14. I didn't sell it yet, so hopefully price stays up there to make some money. Or I'm going to just sell it ASAP because I need that money back to, you know, it's going to be a big ending the year strong, you know, with the patent bread with Jordan 1s. So that's one final look at these guys. Let me know what you think about it. Did you go for this for a personal a couple days ago? Or did you guys totally just skipped over it and passed? Let me know what y'all think in the comments. And that's it for me, guys. Sorry this video took too long. I know I had this shoe, but now it's worth it because now I get to show 2 boxes instead of 1. So, yeah, that's it for me, guys. See you guys on the flip side. As of right now, I don't know what video comes next. But, we'll figure it out. So, like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And, see you guys in the next video. Make sure you follow the Instagram and check out the main channel. See you guys on the flip side. Your boy Little Roy is out. Peace.